Hello everyone, good morning. How are you? Hope you all are very fine and you enjoyed your favorite festival Diwali, and I am hoping that you all are safe because children loves to burn crackers, and crackers sometimes cracker can be harmful for us also. Okay, so now once again all the childrens come back on study mode and your festival has over, and we will discuss about the chapter number 7, location and places. You already have seen 3 lectures which is related with the chapter. Now today we will do the exercise, right? Okay, are you ready? Okay, so shall we start? Yes, we start. But before starting the exercise, this is my formal duty to do the revision once again, because I think we all are meeting after 4 or 5 days now. So it is necessary to me to take a quick recap, right? So move on and we will discuss about the chapter once again. Yes, location and places. When we will hear this word location, then definitely this word is very much related with the direction. Direction, location and time. These all 3 words are related with each other, right? So location means the locality. Location means the locality. Okay, and to find out the location, that is the easiest way. You have to know about the you have to know the knowledge of about the directions which we have surrounding us, right? So we have 4 major directions. How many major directions we have? Yes, we have 4 major directions, and the name of the directions are north, east, south, west. East, west, north, south, right? And when we want to learn about the direction, when we want to gain the knowledge of direction, then it is necessary to us, you have to knowledge of the 4 major directions, right? So I already told you in my previous lecture, then you want to come to know about the direction, you have to go in open place, and in that open place stand on the place when sun is arising, है ना? You have to stand in a open place, and that place, your face direction should be on in front of the sun. Your face direction should be on that place from where sun is arising, है ना? It means you are standing in east direction, है ना? You are standing in east direction and you got one direction, and the name of that direction is east. ठीक है? Sun always arise from the east. It means you get one direction, and sun always set in the west. It means you got second direction. ठीक है? Sun always arise from the east. It means one direction you get, and second direction behind you have west, because sun always set in the west. So you got second direction. ठीक है? East, west, and always your left side is north and right side is south. East, west, north, south. ठीक है? Front, behind, left, right. Front, behind, left, right. Front, east, behind or back side west, left, north, right, east. So you got all the 4 directions. This is the easiest way to get knowledge about the direction, right? But when we will talk about the map, है ना, हर चीज तो हम ईस्ट वेस्ट से नहीं कर पाएंगे. So when we will have the map of that particular place, how we can come to know about the direction, about the location of the place where we want to reach, right? So we all are using the compass, right? Pupil, those who are working in hilly areas, those who are working in mountain areas, those who are working like pupil, those who like soldiers, like army persons, like navy persons, पानी में, जहाँ पानी में, जंगलों में, नदियों के किनारे, पहाड़ों पर, how they will come to know about the direction? वहाँ पर वो लोग कैसे डायरेक्शन को पता करेंगे? तो दे हैव द मैप and there is one helper, and the name of that helper is compass. Compass is the name of an equipment which generally we all are using to get the right way, to get the right location, to get the right direction. ठीक है? So compass is the name of that particular thing, equipment which help us to know about the right direction, right? So there are major four directions, and we have 4 sub directions also, है ना? And the name of that equipment is compass, which by using compass we all are knowing about the directions, right? And in your book there is a small map. Small map is given over here. So in this map you can see this is the picture of compass, and the needle of the compass is always indicates north. टॉप पे नॉर्थ होगा, बॉटम में साउथ होगा, लेफ्ट पे वेस्ट होगा, राइट में ईस्ट होगा, राइट? और if we are holding any map, so it is necessary to us, we will hold at proper corner. सही कॉर्नर से पकड़ने पर ही we can reach on the right place. Nowadays तो we all are have the map on our palm. हमारी हथेलियों पर ही हम पूरी दुनिया का नक्शा लेकर घूम रहे हैं. Yes, Google Map is the helping device. Nowadays we all are using Google Map. When we will go in any new place, then only we all are using the Google Map. By using the Google Map, we can get the right direction. So nowadays we all are using Google Map, right? Okay, so now here we are completing the lecture and the recapitulation also, right? So it's time to do the exercise. Exercise is given in your book. Do that exercise, right? The exercise we all new words. We always start notebook by new words. We will write new words first. Okay, so open your notebook, eraser, sharpener, starts writing new words. Is new words. New. So your first new word is north. Second, south. Third, east. Fourth, west. Fifth, direction. Sixth, map. 7, landmark. 8, indicates. 9, top, bottom. Right, so
chapter is very small. There are no words are very less. Sometimes you are thinking that why some words with the capital letter, small letter. Why is it so? Why this difference is, students, this is, and we will write see, not complete the names of the direction. These capital letters as notebook. You in class noun and put the screen or after some